Do you want to steal your competitors' search traffic? Well, first you need to see what your competitors rank for that you don't. Knowing this lets you target those keywords and overtake them. So today I'll show you how you can find those gaps quickly and easily. Now, to find the keywords that our competitors rank for that we don't, we need a tool. And today we will be using a tool from Keywords Everywhere called the Keyword Gap Analysis tool. And this is totally free to use. With the free version, you have 50 ranking lookups, including 500 keyword lookups per day, and you can add up to 2 competitors. Now, to use this tool, you need to log in and add your Keywords Everywhere API key right here. And again, even if you are on the free version of Keywords Everywhere, you could still add your API key right here to log in. Okay, so I logged in. I am on the gold plan. So with my plan, I have 1,000 ranking lookups per day, and I can add up to 10 competitors. Now, let's just say I have a dental client and we have a couple of really big competitors in the area, and our goal is to steal their search traffic. So I'm gonna add my dental client's domain right here and add their top 2 competitors right here. Now, we do have the option to have this keyword show keyword gaps for the entire website or specific URLs, but I recommend comparing entire websites. Now, we are in the United States, so I'm gonna keep it as United States, but you can select from these other countries as well. Then click on Find Gaps. Okay, in just a couple of minutes, we have a list of keywords that our competitors are ranking for that we are not. And there are a total of 166 keywords here. Now, more specifically, we are ranking for 33 keywords, and our first competitor is ranking for 142, and our second one is ranking for 58 keywords. Now, I like to pay attention to the keywords at the top of this table because you could see which keywords both of our competitors are ranking for. So for example, this one here, dentist in Anaheim, California, this first competitor is ranking number 3, and the second one has position 38. You could also see the average traffic they are receiving from these specific keywords every single month. So immediately you could see which keywords you need to target on your website to start stealing their search traffic. And a lot of these keywords are very great because these are non-branded keywords. So we can create a plan to generate better content on our website to target these specific keywords. Now, this table is only showing us the first 25 keywords, but if we want to see the entire 166 keywords, we could simply select all to view all of the keywords here. You also have the option to add volume data to this table as well. So it'll add search volume, average cost per click, the competition score, and a 12-month trend per gap keyword. So let's add the volume data. And here we go. We have much more informative data that we can analyze to figure out which are the best keywords we should be targeting as well. So for each one of these keywords, we could see the average monthly search volume, the average monthly cost per click, the competition score, and the trending percentage as well. Now, as you can see, there is tons of keyword data here. So if you want to filter keywords with a specific search volume or average cost per click, you can add those numbers right here. You could also filter by competition and also the trending percentage as well. You could also share this exact table with your team or your clients by clicking on copy link, or you could export this as a CSV or Excel file. Now, what's nice is that all of your previous searches will be saved in your history. So just below the table, you could view all of your recent searches right here, so you can refer to them at a later date. Now, the Keyword Gap Analysis tool is just one of 7 free keyword research tools from Keywords Everywhere. Now, I will include a link in the description so you could start using all of these for free right now. Thank you.